If you want to cancel your YouTube Music free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Open YouTube Music app. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or go to the YouTube Music website on your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you are signed into the account that has the active free trial. If not, log in with your credentials. Step 3. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account options. Step 4. Manage your subscription. In the Settings menu, look for the Membership or Subscriptions section. Click on it to view your current subscription status. Step 5. Cancel free trial. Find the option to cancel your free trial. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the process is complete. Once you have completed these steps, your YouTube Music free trial will be cancelled and you will not be charged when the trial period ends.